Hi there, Alex here. Welcome to a beginner's guide to starting with Shopify. Whether you're just starting out or just looking to take your business online, this tutorial will help you to navigate through Shopify's powerful features and get your online store up and running in no time. Now that you are ready to dive in, let's talk about selecting the right plan for your Shopify store. Head over to yolomania.com/Shopify and click Get Started. By clicking my affiliate link below this video, you will get 1 month only for $1 and extra 3 days to familiarize yourself with Shopify interface and settings. As you can see, Shopify offers different plans tailored to your business needs. Beginners, I would recommend Basic Plan. It's affordable and provides all essential features to get your store up and running. The Home section is your starting point in Shopify. Here you will find an overview of your store's performance, including sales, orders, and visitors. It's like your store's command center, where you can keep track of everything happening in your business at a glance. In the orders section, you can view and manage all the orders placed by your customers. It's where you handle the entire order fulfillment process seamlessly. The product section is where you will create and manage your product catalog. You can add new products, edit their details like pricing and descriptions, and organize them to make it easier for your customers to find what they are looking for. In the customers section, you can keep track of all your customer information. You can view their orders, contact them directly through email, and even segment your customers to send targeted marketing campaigns. It's all about building and nurturing relationships with your customers. The content section is where you will upload and manage files. You can also add meta objects, but these are for advanced users and might be really confusing for the beginners. I will explain in detail about each of these sections in the next videos. Analytics is where you will find all the data and insights about your store's performance. You can analyze sales reports, track website traffic, and monitor customer behavior to make informed decisions about your business strategy. It's like having your own data-driven marketing team right at your fingertips. The marketing section is where you will promote your store and attract more customers. You can create marketing campaigns, run ads on social media platforms, and even send abundant cart emails to recover lost sales. It's all about driving traffic and boosting conversions for your store. In the discount section, you can create and manage all your discount codes. You can offer percentage discounts, fixed amount of discounts, or even free shipping to incentivize purchase and reward your customers. It's a great way to attract new customers and increase sales. The themes section is where you will customize the look and feel of your online store. You can choose from a variety of professionally designed themes, preview them, and customize elements like colors, fonts, and layouts to match your brand perfectly. It's the first step in creating a unique and memorable shopping experience for your customers. Blog posts are a great way to connect with your audience and provide valuable content. You can create and publish blog posts to share news, updates, and insights related to your products and industry. Pages are where you will provide essential information about your business and policies. You can add pages like About Us, Contact Us, and FAQ to help your customers learn about your brand and products. In this section, you can create and customize navigation menus to organize your products and pages. You can add links to different collections, pages, or even external websites, and rearrange menu items to optimize the user experience. It's all about making it simple for your customers to find what they are looking for. And last but not least, the apps section is where you'll find all apps and integrations to customize and enhance your Shopify store. In the settings section, you can customize and configure every aspect of your store to suit your business needs. You can adjust general settings like store name and address, set up payments and shipping options, and even configure tax settings. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide to starting with Shopify. I hope this small tutorial has been helpful in getting you started on your e-commerce journey. If you are stuck or have technical difficulties, please let me know in the comments below so I can assist you with tailored videos for your specific problems. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching and happy selling!